California nights with you. There's no way I could get over you. Or go way too fucking drunk with some girls you don't even compare to. I miss those California nights with you. There's no way I could get over you. You were everything I want, now you're gone, and I wish you weren't gone, yeah, I wish you weren't gone, yeah. Sunlight driving top down, yeah, we were looking at each other with our hot eyes. So we were kissing other people with a bad mouth. But I'm still awake to cut you out of my life. Oh yeah, now you're tearing down my heart with the pictures that you post, keeps reminding me of us. Yeah, you're fucking up my life when I see you with some other guy. I miss those California nights with you. There's no way I could get over you. Or go way too fucking drunk with some girls you don't even compare to. I miss those California nights with you. There's no way I could get over you. You were everything I want, now you're gone, and I wish you weren't gone, yeah, I wish you weren't gone, yeah. Well, you and me both got the kind of crazy shit that we both call love until it turn to sleep. I never wanted the bitter taste of medicine. Now you're gone and I fucking hate it. Gotta cross your name out from a diary that I wrote about the first night, or the same place that I saw you with him last night. I never wanted it to call it quits. You made me crazy, but I fucking miss ya. Everything you say, yeah. Now you're tearing on my heart, loving